So today I'm going to do a squad builder, so let's get into it. In goals we have the OP goalkeeper, Sergio, and the two defenders are Thiago Silva will cost you quite a bit of coins, but he's worth it. This team costs you 300 to 400k. In centre back we have David Luiz, and right back Danny Alves, and here we have Jesse Rodriguez. Then my favourite player in here is Marco Reus. He's my favourite left mid, and Mikel, which you can swap with anyone you like, and even Jesse Rodriguez you can swap with anyone. These two are optional, but I just keep them anyway. In right mid we have Willian, and CM we have Mario Götze, and striker we have Lewandowski, my favourite Bayern player, and Ramos here, that's linking up with Marco Reus. Ramos is like really OP, he has a lot of pace, he can score a lot of goals for you, and that's it. And let's just open a few packs, because this video has been like really short. So this is on Xbox 360, but I'm just using the web app if you're wondering. So let's open like a few packs. Okay, let's keep it. We get a goalkeeper. Okay, let's just store one club. Let's open 2 more packs and that's it. I got 900k because I packed in from Benzema, and I got it in a skip pack when those like special packs were released. I got the Digi pack, first pack, Vidic, so not that good, but let's just store him in club. This is my first video, so like, I don't know, just do anything in the comments, just like say nice video or something. And the last video that I deleted, it wasn't like that good of a quality or anything. I deleted that video, everyone was a winner, all DM me for 25k, people who entered. It was iOS only, so sorry if you thought it was Xbox. And I did more than like 3 packs, but I like opening packs. We're just gonna do this one. Last one, we might get someone good. Okay, last pack that we're gonna open. Okay, let's just set the spin. Come on, EA, give me someone good. EA, give me someone good. Okay, let's see who they give me. No, come on. I find skip packs much better, because that one was really bad. We're just gonna open one more. I promise one more, that's the last one. Let's hope we get a legend. Or we get in from Benzema. Make sure to drop a like on the extra pack opening. Next one will be 100k pack openings when they come out. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Last pack. Come on, it's gonna be skip pack. Yeah, give me someone good. Okay. Okay, next video I think I should do discard packs. Comment below what I should do. Should I do discard packs or come on nothing? Okay, thank you guys for watching. Drop a like down below. See you guys in the next video.